In this video, you will come to know about the drinks to gain a weight quickly. Do not skip your daily meals along with the weight gaining drinks if you want to gain a weight. Following are the drinks that helps in gaining body weight. Banana shake is the most popular drink if you want to gain a weight. If you want to gain a weight quickly, then start drinking banana shake. Add 1 large mug of fat milk in a blender with 2 bananas and 4 dates. Blend it and drink it after your lunch. You can also take it twice in a day, once right after lunch and second right after your dinner, especially before bedtime. Avoid this drink if you have diabetes. Why banana causes weight gain? Bananas are fairly rich in sugar, which can make you gain a weight more quickly than other nutrients. Another reason is that bananas' calorie count is higher than many other fruits. Tapioca pearls sabudana milk. Warm 1 cup of milk and add 1 level tablespoon of tapioca pearls in it. Drink this at night. Avoid this drink if you have diabetes. So, why tapioca causes weight gain? Eating tapioca pearls is a simple and nutritious way to gain your body weight. Because it offers high carbonate content, it is an easy way to increase your daily calories and body weight. Another shake that helps regain your body weight is date shake. Add 1 large mug of fat milk in a blender with 4 dates. Blend until the dates gets fully mixed in a milk. Drink this after your lunch, or you can also take it right after your dinner. Avoid this drink if you are a diabetic patient. Why dates causes weight gain? Dates when consumed in excess amounts can cause you to gain weight due to high calorie content in it. Another shake that helps you to gain a weight is dark chocolate shake. Add 1 small dark chocolate in a blender along with 1 mug of milk. If you like, add 1 teaspoon of cream in it, but avoid cream if you have diabetes or high blood pressure. Blend it and drink it after your lunch. Why dark chocolates causes weight gain? Dark chocolates are rich in calories and fat, which contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Some types of dark chocolates also contain high amounts of added sugar, which increases the calorie count in them. Now here is another shake that helps you gain a weight, and it's peanut butter shake. Add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter in 1 mug of milk along with 1 small banana. Blend both and drink this shake after lunch. You can also take this shake along with your breakfast. Avoid this drink if you are a diabetic patient. Why peanut butter causes gain in weight? Peanut butter is a nutritious food and it is also rich in calories. Experts recommend consuming 2 tablespoons of peanut butter in a day for weight gain. White chocolate shake. Add 1 small white chocolate in 1 mug of milk along with 8 almonds and 1 banana. Blend it and drink it after your lunch. Avoid this drink if you have diabetes. Why white chocolate causes weight gain? White chocolate is rich in calories and fat, so it is best to gain a weight. Thanks for watching the video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, then click on the subscription button. If you want to know about drinks for weight loss, then click a link given in the description below.